Good morning, fourth grade. Can't believe we've already made it to Thursday with online learning. Today we're going to revisit something you guys are very familiar with. We're going to be revisiting our RADE responses. The reason we're revisiting this again is because it might look a little bit different online. You might be required to submit things that you're not used to submitting, so I want to make sure that everyone's on the same page. Okay, so when we do a RADE response, right, we have to think about what do we need to include. Right? We need to restate the question, make sure we answer the question, okay? We need to give 2 details and 2 elaborations. So what does that look like again? Here's my example. Take a look at this question here. What theme is supported throughout "There's a boy in the girls' bathroom"? Use details to support your response. Okay, well I know theme is, you guys better know this, right? A theme is a lesson learned. Good, I know you were thinking it. In the story, "There's a boy in the girls' bathroom," a theme that is supported throughout the book is, okay, well, there's my restate, okay? I'm just going to put that in red for you guys. If I can find the red, of course. Just so you can kind of see it, okay? So in the story, "There's a boy in the girls' bathroom," a theme that is supported throughout the book is that everyone deserves a second chance. So that would most likely be my answer, right? They want to know what is the theme, and I'm telling them the theme is everyone deserves a second chance. Let me just put that in blue so you can kind of see this laid out. For example, now, I'm doing this work off of a chapter book. If I'm doing it off of a chapter book, I don't think there's going to be time for me to kind of go through the entire book looking for the exact details. So in this case, I'm thinking about parts of the book. Okay, if you're reading a short response passage, then you might be able to find your details. But in this case, a chapter book, you can just mention parts. So take a look at what I did here. For example, Bradley gave Jeff a second chance even after he ditched him, right, when they were playing basketball. Clearly, giving Jeff a second chance allowed their friendship to grow. Okay, so here I'm giving a supporting detail. My detail has to do with giving second chances. Okay, so here I'm just going to highlight the detail for you. Actually, no, it's in black already. But here was my elaboration. Right here I was explaining how Bradley gave that second chance to his friend, right? And actually what happened in result of giving him that second chance. So that's my elaboration. Another example is when Bradley decides to give Carla a second chance after she left him to go to a new school, right? Remember, he was really mad at her for leaving, right? But then he decided, well, actually, I'll save that for my elaboration. So this is the part where Bradley decides to give someone a second chance. Or give another person a second chance, rather. Okay, so that's my second detail. This is evidence that Bradley deserves that everyone deserves a second chance, because once Bradley realized that Carla meant so much to him, he knew he had to make things right with her. Okay, so this is again showing second chances. This is my elaboration here. Just gonna mark that in green so you can see. And here's my RADE response, right? I answered the question. It's all about second chances. I gave my details and my elaboration, okay? So now I want you guys to look here. When you have to submit your RADE response for today, okay, you're going to be asked to do 2 things here. Step 1, okay, is going to be watch the short film titled Lou. Okay, that's step 1. You guys have to read these directions here so that you know the steps you have to take. Because going forward, there are going to be many links and files down here, and some of you might forget to click on them, okay? Step 2, click on the Google Doc and answer the RADE response. So step 1 is to watch the short film. Your job is to look down here and find the short film link. Here it is, Lou short film. Step 2, once I'm done watching that film, step 2 says to click on the Google Doc. Here's my Google Doc. Once I click on that, now I can start my RADE response, and it's going to look something like this. okay? What theme is supported in Pixar's short film Lou? Use details or parts of the film to support your answer. You're going to start typing right here. Once you're done with this, there's going to be a little button in your corner that says turn in, okay? So today is simply, let's revisit our RADE responses. Let's practice opening up links and submitting documents, okay? I hope you guys enjoy the film, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys came up with in regards to what that film is teaching us, okay? All right, guys, bye.